Hey friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Manus on your Android phone. So let me go ahead and sign into my Manus account here, and as you can see here I'm right inside Manus. Now on the left hand side guys, you have your panel here, right? And if you look towards the lower right hand side of this left side panel, you know what I mean, you will see some icons. One of them is download Manus app. So what you want to do, you want to simply open up the camera on your phone. Let me go ahead and show you this. So open up the camera on your phone guys, and you want to simply hover over this QR code. You will see a link, you open up that link, and it's going to take you into your Google Play Store. So you can go ahead and you can install Manus. Now I want to recommend that this is the best way how to download and install the Manus app, right? So get access to Manus first, then search for it within the Play Store, or just simply scan the QR code from within the Manus website and you can install Manus directly. This will ensure that you get the right application to your phone. Because guess what guys, why this is the best way and you're not just gonna search for a Manus app on your phone and install it. If you don't get access to Manus at first, how will you be able to log into the mobile app? It just doesn't make sense, right? So you want to ensure that you first get access to Manus, and then you will scan this QR code from within the application and you can easily open it or download and install and open it on your phone. And as you can see here, it finished install. I'm going to quickly sign in with my current account. If you have an Apple as well, it also works for your Apple phone as well. So you can choose whether you have an Android or Apple account. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and select my account here. I'm now within the MANUS AI application. Guys, I can start a new prompt. I can do whatever I want. As you can see there, MANUS is installed on my phone, guys. And that's it. It's very easy and very simple, guys. That's all there is to it.